हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सभी ठीक से होंगे। एसिडिटी। Sucking a piece of cloves after meals helps relieving acidity problem. Acne and blackheads. Grated cucumber applied over the face, eyes and neck for 15 minutes is very much beneficial for acne and blackheads. Acidity and ulcers. One natural treatment for acidity is chewing a few basil leaves after a meal. This not just works as an antacid as it helps the body absorb food but also prevents reflux and the formation of ulcers. Severe cough. Mix tulsi juice with garlic juice and honey. A teaspoon of this mixture is taken once every 3 hours will treat excessive coughing. Thank you so much. God bless all.